Holy shit.
Whoa! Big gust. Big gust. Yeah, we're definitely down a few.
Oh my gosh.
More
Look at
trees.
this violent wind now. I can't see nothing.
Yeah, we managed to get back in the western eye wall.
75 was the highest. Wow.
All time.
Yep.
It's getting dark again.
That was awesome. I thought we had already gusted at our max, but
I did
apparently
too.
not.
Mesoport.
This bitch in park. It's hard to get a video with it blowing that thing hard. Unless I orient the car. Uh-oh, he's coming this way.
Yeah, we're getting more left to right now. We dropped to what, 959? Ooh, big gust. Big gust. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Big gust. Big gust. Big gust. Big gust. Big gust. Big gust. Oh yeah. And it switched on too. Just face the wind. Just face the wind right now. Wait for a lull. We'll get a lull in just a second and we can rearrange. Whoa! Now that's backing up. Oh! What was that?
62, but you know,
Oh, that was.
dude, that's I don't give a shit what happens, but I gotta get away from this building over here.
Alright. Yeah, I thought we'd seen the worst of it. I was wrong. We're gonna have to face the wind. Just go.
Frick out of our way.
We have to face the wind.
Yep.
Oh, look. It's
Yep.
Okay.
Oh hell. Oh
We are white
hell.
out.
Oh hell. Oh hell.
We are white
Oh, hell.
out. Dude, what happened? Whoa! Oh! 55. That's more than 55, I promise you that.
God damn.
Oh, that was a gust.
Damn.
This is 75.
Damn. What's coming?
Downstream.
Orient the car a little bit.
Yeah, I think you're good. We're directly into the wind, so. Good gust. That was a big gust. Is that a kayak?
Yes.
There's a kayak. Well, one of the Tractor Supply kayaks is about to make it into the water over here.
Again. Pressure 967 now. Dropped a little. Northwest eyewall or southwest eyewall.
Yeah. Which in theory is supposed to be the weakest. In this situation anyway. That tarp's still holding up over there.
That's unbelievable. Uh-oh.